How cleaning products were invented. Look underneath your kitchen sink. You will probably find bottles for dishes, floors, windows, bathrooms, and stains you did not even know needed their own product. But thousands of years ago, none of these existed. No sprays, no detergents, not even a simple bar of soap. So how did humanity go from cleaning with water to creating an entire industry designed to fight dirt? The story may have begun beside a fire. Chapter 1. Before cleaning products. Early humans used whatever nature provided. Water washed away loose dirt. Sand could scrape surfaces clean, and ash helped remove grease. But at some point, something unusual happened. Animal fat mixed with the ashes of a fire. When water was added and the mixture was heated, it created a rough, soap-like substance. We do not know who discovered it. It may not even have been intentional, but nearly 5,000 years ago, people in ancient Babylon were already recording mixtures made from fat and ash. Humanity had discovered one of its first manufactured cleaning substances. Chapter 2. It wasn't made for showers. Here is the surprising part. Early soap may not have been created for bathing. It was probably used to clean wool and textiles before they were dyed or sold. Around 1500 BC, ancient Egyptian writings described combining oils with alkaline salts. These mixtures were used for washing and sometimes for treating skin problems. But many ancient people still did not wash themselves with soap. Greeks and Romans often covered their bodies with oil, then removed the oil, sweat, and dirt using a curved metal tool called a strigil. Their cleaning routine was basically oil and scraping. Chapter 3. Cleanliness becomes a luxury. Over time, soap making became a skilled profession. Soap makers across the Mediterranean and Middle East experimented with different oils, ashes, and scents. Some produced hard bars that looked much closer to modern soap. But soap was not always an everyday product. For centuries, it could be expensive. In several European countries, it was even heavily taxed as a luxury. Being clean was something not everyone could afford. Then, in 1791, French chemist Nicolas Leblanc patented a method for producing soda ash from ordinary salt. One of soap's key ingredients could now be manufactured on a massive scale. Factories appeared, production increased, and soap slowly became cheaper. But soap still had one major weakness. In hard water, it could leave behind a sticky gray residue. Scientists needed something better. Chapter 4. War changes cleaning forever. During the First World War, natural fats and oils became harder to obtain. These ingredients were needed for food and for making soap, so chemists began creating artificial alternatives. They developed synthetic cleaning agents, known as detergents. Unlike traditional soap, detergents could work effectively in hard water without producing as much soap scum. In 1933, Dreft appeared as an early household synthetic detergent, but it was mainly suitable for lightly soiled clothing. Chemists kept experimenting. Then, in 1946, Tide was introduced as the first successful heavy-duty synthetic laundry detergent. At almost the same time, automatic washing machines were entering more homes. Together, the machine and the detergent transformed laundry forever. Chapter 5. A different bottle for everything. During the 1950s, liquid dishwashing products began appearing more widely. Cleaning products were no longer expected to clean everything. Manufacturers began developing specialized formulas, one for dishes, one for windows, one for floors, one for ovens, one for bathrooms. New plastic packaging and spray mechanisms made cleaners easier to apply. Later, enzymes were added to laundry detergents to break down stains such as food, grass, and blood. Disinfectants were designed to kill or deactivate harmful microorganisms, and concentrated formulas allowed smaller amounts of product to perform larger cleaning jobs. The simple mixture of fat and ash had become advanced chemistry. Ending today, many products we casually call soap are technically detergents. The bottle beside your sink is not one single invention. It is the result of thousands of years of accidents, experiments, war, industrial chemistry, and humanity's endless battle against dirt. So the next time you spray a countertop, wash a plate, or start your washing machine, remember, it all may have begun with an unknown person standing beside a fire. watching fat fall into the ashes.